Your commercial property is one of your most valuable business assets, but are you sure it's adequately insured? A single uncovered event could cause major setbacks, whether you own an office, warehouse, retail space, or investment property. Today, I'll walk you through how to evaluate risk and make sure your coverage truly works for your needs and not just on paper. So let's get started. First of all, business owners should assess the risk to their property. Start by identifying specific risks your property faces. A tailored policy begins with a clear understanding of what you're up against. And consider questions like this. Is your property located in a floodplain, hurricane zone, or earthquake region? Standard policies may not include natural disasters. You might need riders or endorsements to cover this. Next, do you store special equipment like electronics or perishable inventory? If so, coverage limits should reflect their replacement value. Next, are there any safety hazards like outdated wiring, no sprinkler system, or poor exterior lighting? These not only raise your risk, but can impact your premium or even your insurability. Now here's a pro tip. Walk through your property with a camera and create a visual inventory. It's both helpful for underwriting and future claims. Next, key business insurance coverages to include. Your policy should go beyond just covering the basics. Here's what to focus on. Number 1, building coverage. Protects the physical structure, walls, roof, plumbing, HVAC systems. 2, business content coverage. Think furniture, computers, tools, inventory. If it's inside and you rely on it, it needs to be covered. Next is business interruption coverage. Covers lost income and operating expenses if your business has to be temporarily shut down due to a covered damage. Next is equipment breakdown. Covers repair or replacement of key mechanical systems like a HVAC or refrigeration that fail due to a covered event. Next is tenant improvements if you lease. This covers the customizations that you've made to someone else's building. Next, you have ordinance and law coverage. This helps if the property has to be rebuilt and requires upgrades to meet the new codes or regulations. Now, as a pro tip in covering your property, always review replacement costs versus actual cash value. Now, I will always recommend replacement costs. For example, if I lose my cell phone and I want to get it replaced, the question is, did I choose replacement costs or actual cash value? If I have replacement cost coverage, my phone would be totally replaced no matter the actual cost of the phone at the time. Why? Because actual cash value may not be enough money to replace the cost of my current cell phone. But understand your budget because replacement cost does come with a higher premium. That's why the right option can make the difference in a claim scenario. Now let's go on to tips for effective business coverage. Here are practical ways to make sure your coverage stays aligned with your business needs. First of all, you should schedule annual policy reviews, especially after expansion, renovation, or inventory growth. Next, you can bundle your property insurance with liability or umbrella policies for better savings and broader protection. Next, implement risk reduction strategies like installing a security system, smoke detectors, or backup generators to qualify for other premium discounts. And choose an independent agent like myself who can shop multiple carriers and tailor the coverage to fit your needs and budget. Now, as a pro tip, make sure to keep updated receipts and digital copies of maintenance logs, repair work, and safety improvements. These records are valuable and can reduce your claim delays. So what's next? Ensuring your commercial property effectively, it's about more than just having a policy. It's about having the right policy, the right agent, and a proactive plan. If you're ready to review your current coverage to explore options that better fit your goals, let's connect. I'm here to help every step of the way. And don't stop here. Check out my next video for more insights on protecting your business. And as I like to say, call Jay today. Thanks for listening.